What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C. Thanks for checking me out. If you haven't, hit the subscribe button, all that stuff, etc., etc. Today, I am reviewing another ZX 8000. The last one that I reviewed was the Bait Undefeated Dita joints in the all green. Sadly say they didn't make it. I mean, I don't know what it was, but I just knew I wasn't gonna wear it no time soon. So I got it to a home where someone was gonna wear them ASAP. But today we got the Sean Wotherspoon Earth Day joints, and anything Sean does, man, I'm supporting. It's something about an entrepreneur building his own store and then getting a dream chance to collab with like one of the big wigs, Nike, Adidas, Asics, etc. So I'm gonna give you my honest opinion, man, because that's what we do here at Sneaker Notes, honest opinions. So if you're a fan of honest opinions, hit that subscribe button now, and let's get into it. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack. Yes, sir. So these sneakers look like two totally different shoes. So I said, let's just start with the right one and we do the left one separate, because doing them at the same time is crazy. So bam. Here we go here, man. What shoe tapped me the most is these lime green shoestrings right here. And the reason that is because if you follow Sean Wotherspoon or even Round 2, you know this electric green, earth green, Air Max 95 neon green is the green that he always uses. Example, bam. If you see the back right there, that says SW. That's Sean Wotherspoon logo. And as I said before, you see the lime green and the blue that he always uses there. Another thing that jumps at you is this plush hang tag. And as you can see, it looks to be like a money sign or maybe just an S, but it's in the earth. It's an earth shape, not earth shape. It's earth design because these are for Earth Day, which happens to be today. So I waited today to do the review. You see that big plush it comes with. This is a huge plush, guys. Now let's try to get into the sneaker. So right here you have your what you gonna call that? Your you have your like lumberjack look. I for lack of a better word, but I like the colorway. I definitely like the material. This is good material here, as all material used on this sneaker was, to help the earth, so it was all recyclable material. That's why the sneaker's kind of busy. But you have that on your toes, and then in the toe box you have like a brown khaki color and a more hardened material. This material here is kind of soft. Right here you have your Adidas logo. And that same lime green of the shoestring. Now let's get into what everyone is like about. And it's these two flower imprints on the side of the sneaker. I'd have no problem with the flowers. It's when it gets down here and you have to start walking on the strings where it becomes an issue. And if you follow Sean Wotherspoon, you know that he had Adidas early last year, I believe, with the same kind of material here. And people didn't like it then, and a lot of people's not liking it now. But back to the shoe. Right here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 Adidas logos. Purple, green, red, orange. It's like a Crayola box. Yellow, blue, and that's on the inside of the top of the sneaker. Following it off, you have a red patch here, and you have like a clear casing here with more string thread. Then that's when you come around and you see that Sean Wotherspoon logo that I sent y'all before. And over here, on top of the flowers, there's 3 actually. You got red, green, and white. You got your 3-stripe Adidas logo. The tongue is super busy and it's super slim. This is a slim tongue, super slim tongue. And the tongue reads Super Earth. This tongue is really skinny, man, and really, really busy, but it matches the outside of the sneaker. The inside sole reads Super Earth, Sean Wotherspoon. Now let's get into the left shoe. Real quick, before we get into the left shoe, I purchased these sneakers from In Clothing about a week and a half ago. No, this is not sponsored by them, but shout out to them. It's an overseas brand, super dope. Actually, when I brought them Sean Wotherspoons, I brought Levi's and N made a collab, and this is the Levi's and NT. Only reason I brought this is because I felt like I never was gonna put these on. So getting the black Levi NT ensured that I'll put these on. Now back to the Sean Wotherspoons. Yes, sir. So these is your right shoe. The only thing that remained the same was the lime green. It's the only thing that remained the same. So on this sneaker, instead of the lumberjack design we seen, this is just a pure off-white, closer to like a neutral gray on the outside. The flower is red, and that's closer to the front of the sneaker here. No long strings and nothing hanging here. So this is probably people's favorite shoe. Favorite side, but I'm leaning towards the right side. So in here, you have your Crayola Adidas logos again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Top here is the same as the front of the right shoe. Your Adidas logo, 3 stripes is in that blue and that green there. The khaki is here, and it's also here on the toe box. But this one is more of a neutral one as the all white there. So this is more of the same pair if you ask me. So I mean, the sneaker's busy. that I can't go without. Out of all the Sean Wotherspoons that drop, of course, my favorites are here. This pair goes in wait, let's see. These are number 1, hands down. Number 2, I might give to the Asics. I almost bid and brought a pair of them Asics months ago. But I see them rising like every $15 every other week. So I don't know if I'm going to add those to my collection. But this is definitely number 1. Asics number 2. These are number 3. The Adidas ones he came out with before was like, they're just a regular shell toe with this stuff that people don't like on it. So, man, I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for checking me out. Happy Earth Day, everybody, man. Let's try to take care of each other, take care of the earth. Let's take care of this video and give it a like. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich. Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.